Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to identify a trending market. So the first thing we need to do is get the indicator on a chart. We're using the 50 and the 200 moving average, and we're going to start off on the daily chart. So in a good uptrend, we want to see price trading above the 50-day and the 200-day. If it's not trading above the 50-day, we don't want to be in this market. If it's trading in between the 50 and the 200, we don't want to be trading this market. We only want to be trading if it's above the 50 and the 200-day. We also want the 50 to be above the 200. So now we want to move to the weekly chart, and again, same thing. We want to see the 50 above the 200, and we want to see price above both of them. Now, if we're shorting the market, then we want all of this reversed. We want to see the 50 underneath the 200, and we want to see the price underneath the 50. Now, the last thing we need to do is look at the monthly chart, and that's going to give us our major support and resistance areas. You can see once it crossed this area of resistance right here, it hasn't really slowed down too much. It had a little hiccup here around this resistance level, which is also the high of 2001, and it doesn't really matter how far back you go, support and resistance levels are always going to be there. So it gave a little stutter right there and then kept moving up, and now we moved up to this next area of support at the high of 2000, and you can see it pulled back slightly. When it comes up to resistance levels like these, you might want to pull up your stops, tighten your stops up a little bit, but be ready for a pullback when it comes to some major areas of resistance like this. Once it goes past, we'd be looking for price to come back and retest that and then continue on upward. So that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now you know how to identify a trending market. Thanks for watching, guys.